Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah, that means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Good style, you know. Forget the fork. And we have to eat the food. Oh, the door is closed. Hey, Paris. Welcome once more to the Jamaican Dead Stream. Mr. Long, you saw me at chill out. Breakfast has passed in the last video, and I told her that I got a little tidying up to do, and I'll be taking you along. However, Uncle Murphy has decided to make some lemonade. So I'm waiting on a cool cup of lemonade. You know, don't know it, because sometimes you have to get a little go for start, especially the housework. Y'all know it. All the ladies, please comment. Sometimes you want a little go, a little gig. So, camera girl just told me that after me drink the lemonade, I'm going to lose my walk. So, I'm here waiting on lemonade. We got plants. I have 2 more plants. If I go set before I leave, I'm going to tidy up the house. No dirty house around here. I'm got dishes to do. I'm going to get yard to sweep up. This is how it goes when we're in the country. But can I tell you something? I'm feeling so nice. I'm feeling so free. Honestly, on a serious note, I just feel free, like I want to fly. I'm sitting here. I want to know that little chair here. I transport things from town to country. We know so somebody sitting there, I don't know them. So I need to get another one for this, and we're going to start set up the veranda. Them the background, the side what them I do. You hear them in the background. But as time goes along, we move on with them. So then kind of, you know, some little touching the upper stuff we do over right here. But we are going to be moving in time. I know some of you all, you're watching. Thanks to you for watching. Thanks for reaching out to me. Thanks for encouraging me. And all of that. So no matter what go on, baby, don't give up. You're on a good path. Thank you all. So, you hear the work man in the background. Uncle Murphy in there mix lemonade. When him come out, me I go start work. And while I work, me I go drink lemonade. Guess what? We need some music to get the house vibes they going. But we don't got the music here. You know, right now. But as we move along, yeah, lemonade. Yes, man, you can ask me for one lemonade. But one lemonade, because me I go lose the walk. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Set me your vibe. Set me your, I'm telling you, set me your nice. The sun is out. The sun is pretty. It's a beautiful day right on over here in St. Mary. Next clip. So Paris, I'm about to start a little tidying up. That. So I'll take up them breakfast, something here. And towel done. So you know this is what keeps us during the day. This is the jug of St. Mary or Harmony. Yeah, icy cold. And all of that courtesy of Uncle Murphy. So first thing me I do, I start pick up them little stuff here. And all of that. Hey, Parry. Country, yeah, the work. Round and round. I'm telling some of your country, I'm not forget nothing. I don't forget my roots. I don't forget where I'm coming from. So look now. Yeah, growing on one little side here. The man, them a chat. Them a work, man. Them a do for them work, huh? Them a do, them a do. Them a do them little hustling. I don't get paid for so. Me I wash out them, the rag here, kitchen rag here. We don't have no sink now them something there yet, but that soon come. So, now wash out the rag here. Now go do look a white down. And all of that. what I'm doing right about now. I'll show you the kitchen here again. I'm going to wipe out fridge. I'm going to wipe off table. So that look wiping out. So you will see me I do. I'm not hide nothing from me like that. Yeah. I have to do. I have no woman yesterday. I'm not only woman. Yeah, you want me to do? I have to make sure something right. I don't want when I come back here the place is dirty and all of that. It's on a different mode now, but you don't know we talk about that. So I have to make sure I have to do that when I come back everything is clean. Got you. So, sorry, I make a little baking soda water. I don't know how much, I know some of you here are following. You have been watching from the beginning. I have my storage and everything. So we got fridge here, we have a little fridge here, but we don't have no stove. So, remember telling me I always buy fridge before stove, you know. So, you find, so right now, I'm going to do a little wiping out on the fridge. But bear in mind, I'm not cover this, I'm not there, you know, the man them. So, I'm going to wipe out the fridge and all of that. I'm going to baking soda water. So that may look so. As time goes along, we are going to have a little stove. That's why you see the cooking. When we want to cook indoor cooking, we can't do it. So that's why you see it's so kind of hard. But Rome wasn't built in a day. So yeah, wipe out the fridge. You want to see, you can't say empty fridge, yeah, empty fridge, but you have to have fridge empty before you can get food, you know. Yeah, look on them. Something that over this, so then deal with the roof. The man, termite them parry, come back. I mean, I never tear down the whole building. So I had to look wiping out that fridge, yeah. And so. Two house me have now, you know, house a country, house a town. And I'm doing what I gotta do. I'm doing it for you when I'm come look for me. So me I finish wipe out the fridge and I'll catch you out in this. I got it in this. I want one egg in there to keep it till egg come back in. Catch you, Barry. I'm sorry for my back turn to the camera. I'll catch you. I sent Mary with saying, I want to lie to you, see boy. I sent Mary with there, you know, that one your boss, could I? Kosher, it light, kosher, parry, Me I go roast them here. Yeah, easy for roast. Watch out, push it. I'm gonna try to get a fire on, and when they are roasted, me I go slice them up. And anyone who wanna come, 1, 1, 2, 2 bag. Me don't wanna know come. Me I go roast them, slice them, and freeze them. Yeah. So Parry, me I go do like a wiping now. So me I throw the cloth in the water. Your books fresh up and all of that. You're pouring that background with beer drama. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Alright, hold on. It's alright. Scrape off the wall.